In today's video, I am beyond excited to reveal my custom AI trading bot, a tool that's literally transformed my approach to generating passive income. If you find yourself constantly falling down the rabbit hole of how to make money online, listen closely. Out of every single method I've tested, deploying this specific trading bot has blown the rest out of the water. Best of all, it completely eliminates the exhausting emotional roller coaster of manual day trading. And the craziest part is, the entire architecture was engineered by artificial intelligence. So, even if you're a total beginner who feels overwhelmed by the technicals, a highly specialized AI agent steps in to do all the heavy lifting. Leveraging AI agents like this means the entire workflow is perfectly automated on your behalf. Let's get right into the mechanics. This trading strategy zeroes in on market inefficiencies hiding in plain sight within the public order books of decentralized exchanges, like Uniswap. At its core, the smart contract executes a lightning-fast sandwich tactic by analyzing pending network transactions. It sniffs out specific target trades and deliberately pushes a higher transaction fee. This guarantees that our buy order gets processed first, immediately chased by a sell order. Since Ethereum network validators always prioritize executing transactions with higher gas fees, this method is remarkably consistent. Ultimately, this framework empowers us to capitalize on the massive price volatility in cryptocurrency markets. Volatility that's constantly being triggered by breaking crypto news and sudden volume spikes. If you've dabbled in Web3 or crypto trading, you almost certainly already have an extension like this installed. For the newcomers, don't worry. I've dropped a link to a highly trusted extension in the description down below. As you can see on my screen, my setup is locked and loaded. Next up, you'll need to navigate to this development platform. And again, every single link you'll need is neatly organized in the video description. Go ahead and create a brand new file, giving it a straightforward name. Here is the exact open source code we'll be deploying today. You can grab this directly from the description as well. Since the code is fully transparent, you are totally welcome to audit the script using whichever service you prefer. Copy that code and paste it right into the freshly created file. I've made sure the entire document is heavily commented so you know exactly what the contract is doing behind the scenes. Now, head over to this tab right here. Near the top of the page, you'll spot a compiler version number. Double check that these digits match up perfectly with the script. If they are out of sync, simply tweak them manually. Once that's set, I'll click right over here. Awesome. Moving right along, we need to link up our extension. Hop over to this tab and pick this specific choice from the drop-down menu, and hit connect when the pop-up prompts you. Assuming everything is configured the right way, your wallet details will seamlessly populate right here in the console. After that, go ahead and click this button. Authorize the transaction one more time and hang tight for just a second until the success message flashes in the terminal. Boom! There it is. Down below is our interactive control panel. It features just 3 core functions, making it incredibly user-friendly to navigate. Now, hit this button to double check your contract details. Take a quick second to verify that the 2 addresses displayed on your screen are a perfect match. This is crucial because it guarantees you maintain absolute control over the contract. At this stage, it's time to inject some liquidity. Funding the bot with 2 to 10 Ethereum is highly recommended, though there is technically no ceiling on what you can allocate. Heavier deposits give the bot the firepower to route far more transactions, which aggressively boosts your potential gains. On the flip side, smaller deposits yield fewer transactions, inevitably lowering your potential profits. I would personally never run this setup with under 1 Ethereum, and if you're serious for optimizing about absolute peak performance, definitely aim for a deposit between 2 and 10 Ethereum. Click this icon right here to copy your bot's new contract address. Make absolutely sure your wallet holds the liquidity you plan to deploy, plus a little buffer to cover the network fees. Click send, choose Ethereum, paste in the contract address, punch in your desired amount, review the fine details one last time, and hit confirm. Excellent. The transfer is officially complete. I'll just click this button to verify that the funds are registering properly in the interface. Fantastic. Everything is aligned perfectly. It's time to unleash the bot. Click right here and confirm the action. And just like that, we are officially executing live trading. You can keep a close eye on all the automated action streaming into this terminal window right down here. I'm going to let this run quietly in the background and check back on it in a little bit. The contract has been grinding away for a few hours now. The accumulated profits are looking exceptionally strong so far, especially when you remember that it's reacting dynamically in real time. Just keep in mind that your actual yields will naturally fluctuate depending on live network traffic and shifting market conditions. I'm going to let this run for a complete 24-hour cycle, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the update. Alright, it's been a full 24 hours since we flipped the switch on the bot. Let's dive in and analyze the progress. Absolutely mind-blowing. By reviewing the terminal logs, you can track every single microscopic action the smart contract executed. It is flawlessly accounted for and entirely verifiable. This tool honestly never ceases to amaze me. Whenever you're finished and ready to halt trading to withdraw your funds, simply click here and confirm the transaction. Just look at those incredible results. But please keep in mind that this video is produced strictly for educational purposes, and I am not a financial professional. Absolutely nothing discussed here constitutes professional advice. I am purely documenting and sharing my own personal experiences in the space. I've linked my Telegram down in the description below if any of you have questions or want to bounce ideas around. Please destroy that like button and smash subscribe so you don't miss out. I'll be dropping plenty more high-value tutorials like this in the near future.